Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add clock widget. So let's start the video. If your Windows screen does not have a clock widget, you can add one using rain meter. First open Google Chrome, search for rain meter and click on the first website to download and install the software. Next, visit a website to download Elegant Clock. Click on the first result, download the file and install it. After installation, go back to your desktop, click on the key option and find Rain Meter. Open Rain Meter, navigate to Illustro, click on Clock and select Load. Now the clock widget will appear on your home screen and your setup is complete.